Guys, today we're out here doing a review for Vastfire's Bike Light. This is a wireless USB-C rechargeable flashlight that mounts to your bike's handlebars, but it also comes with a GoPro mount. So we're going to try mounting it to our hiking bag to see how that works.
Right off the bat, I love the compact design of the flashlight. It's super lightweight and easy to use. The flashlight has multiple features, has a high beam for distance and a passing beam. I like that you can adjust the brightness so you're not necessarily blinding people that are coming the opposite direction on the trail. Also has just different settings for flashing and things like that for getting alert while you're on the road. It does have different temperatures, so you can set the mode depending on where you're riding. The brighter white is great if you're riding the street or on a dark trail. If you're just riding in the city, a warmer color may work better for you. The backlight is pretty cool too. It has your standard mode of just being on, but it also has different sequences to flash and kind of get attention, which is again great if you're riding on the city or in the main road, just to get attention of distracted drivers. The clamp for the handlebar is super easy to use. You don't need any special tools or really anything just besides your hands to lock it on. Installation is super easy. For the back seat, it was just a flexible strap that latches on to the seat post itself. Super easy install. I think it took a total of about 10 seconds. The front handlebar is a screw-on mount. Again, no tools required. Very easy and adjustable. And then the flashlight itself just locks onto the mount and pops off with a press of a button. So super easy to take with you if you need a change. And also the buttons are all right on top. So while you're riding, super easy to adjust if you need to make any changes.
All right, now we're going to try it out for the GoPro mount on our backpack. We already have the GoPro mount on the bag, carry it there at all times. So standard sizing, so it fits right into the latch here. Just screws it on. And then again, same simple mechanism as the bike mount, just slides right in and turn it on. And you got a hands-free flashlight while you're out hiking. Alright guys, can't get much easier than that. A simple strap on the back, a latch on the front. The flashlight does come off the front mount with the click of a button. Very bright flashlight, easy to assemble. Highly recommend it. Check the description below for the link to their Amazon store and let us know what you think.